Welcome back to another video. We are out here on Hollis Lathem today. I came up here last night and saw a few fish, pretty good ones. But we're gonna see if we can catch some fish today. Got topwater, little finesse baits, fluke, and swim baits. So I had a few followers on the swim bait yesterday, but didn't catch any. So we're gonna see if we can catch some biggins. Got the biggin shirt on today, so hopefully it's gonna bring us some good luck, and hope y'all enjoy this one. I'm reading water temp. Well, it's just climbing right now, so I don't really know what it is right now. But y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we're gonna catch some biggins. See. Get the net. First one here on the Ned rig. And it's a pretty good one. Throwing an 8-pound test, so you gotta be gentle with them. But that's a pretty good one. Ned rig, right here in the shallows. It's about 5 foot deep. Let's weigh him real quick. Where's my scale? We're gonna weigh him and release him. That one's gonna go 2.57 right there. Pretty decent one. He's definitely spawned out, but good fish. Does that grass move? That sucks. I don't know. Like, do you hear that? Every once in a while it goes like it's taking it. If there's a freaking fish on there, that'd be crazy. Yeah, I'm videoing. Here, see that? There's a fish on there. See that? Watch my line. See that? What the heck is that? Look, what is that? Did you see that? Yeah, it is. Get the net. There he is.
He's gonna go.
Yeah. I know. Just.
You can back. You got braid? All braid?
No, it's braid to 12-pound fluoro.
Pull the reel a little bit.
I don't know where he is.
You maybe wrap around it completely.
Well, I felt him pulling. If I can get on the other side, then I can.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Let me see it.
He's gone now.
I was trying to see how it was hooked.
Dang it, dude. That was a decent one. Don't know where he is. Well, that's the problem about fishing in this timber.
Over to you. just see if I can reach it. Just to see how she wrapped it.
Oh my God, that's awesome. Holy crap, dude, you found that fish.
She's just chilling down there, I reckon.
Woo! That was insane. Holy crap. Well, that's the problem fishing in here, but that's the advantage of fishing in here. Wow, that's insane, dude. So that fish is just laying under that log. Wow. Let's see how much this one weighs. This one will probably be right around the same. Look at that. 268. Another pretty decent largie.
Beautiful.
Wow, that's crazy. I'm gonna take a picture and then release them. Get a good release on her. That was insane. Trolling motor's up. That was a lot of chaos, but we got her. Man, that was crazy. That really ought to be a fish.
Sit right here, don't move. I'm fixing to cut my waffle top off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get access to some pins.
Oh, oh. There he is.
Yeah. He's up there.
He's freaking wrapped again. I watched him hit that. Come on, fish. We're stuck. I mean stuck. Come on, fish. Don't do me wrong. Man, we are stuck.
Are we stuck?
Yeah,
Where at?
all over. Left side, or I mean right side.
Turn left. Come on.
God darn. Man. Oh, son of
You come on.
a... Yes. Dang it. Man. You fucking boy. Fly rod. Fly rod, baby. Look at the other one with him. Look at the other one with him. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Ooh, look at that right there. Fly rod. The other one's still back there. See him?
Dude, there's some big ones.
Yeah.
They're eating bait. They've spit up. There's a big one right there.
Yeah.
The dark one.
Oh, they just ate the bait. Oh my God, that's insane.
Here.
Yeah, I'm ready.
4 pound test, dude.
4. I can't see him. that's sick. Woo! Look at that, boy.
That's what I'm talking about.
Heck yeah. Look at that. On the fly rod.
Man, it's a pliers on a little bitty bitty.
On the fly, that's sick. Here, let's weigh him. That one weighs 2.02. And there were probably, I think there was 2 other ones. There we go.
One was big.
2 other ones swimming right with him.
That's what I asked.
That was sick, dude. Ooh, he missed it. He completely missed it. God! Another one! Oh my God!
I fed him.
Nuh-uh. He ate the brim?
Mm-mm.
Oh. That's another good one right there. On the fly rod. Oh my God.
Hold on now, I gotta wear it down. Get on the motor. Wait. Okay, go ahead.
Woo! Sorry.
Son of a
Dang. That was another good one right there.
dang. Was that stick on there all the time? I think he may have went in something and it popped it. It's threaded inside that stick.
You serious?
Yes.
That was that fish that rolled on me. Guaranteed.
That's one that was sitting there.
Oh, he was sitting there? You could see him?
Yeah, I threw it past him and brought it to him.
Wait, that was that one right there?
It was sitting right there.
God, he did not look that big.
He come up and sucked it. Because I knew my distance, so I cast it, it slipped right past him, and I drug it to him.
Yeah?
If he just looked at it for a minute and come up there and sucked it down.
I had one hit mine over here. He completely missed the lure though. Like I never felt him. Dang, that was a good one too. Oh yeah. Ned rig, video game fishing right there. Saw him on my graph, dropped down on him in 11 feet of water, caught him. That was pretty cool. There's a bunch of them. I figured there were some big ones down there, because that's where all the big ones kept going yesterday. God! God!
Wow. Dang it. Dang it. That's a good fish, brother.
That was freaking crazy. That's that fish.
Yep.
Watch him eat your fly rod, dude. I didn't think he had it because I was hung on that stick thing right there. Dang it, that was a good one there. That was my 5-pounder. If not more. shade. Fish was in the shade. He jumped and spit it. We are about to get off now. It was a pretty decent day. We lost some good ones. That would have really helped us, but caught twos. That was we had 3 2. Like one was right just over 2 pounds, and then 2 2.5s. One of those came on the fly rod, which y'all saw, and then the other one came on, or another one came on a Ned rig, and then the other one came on a fluke. So a bunch of different baits today, but it was fun. Getting pretty hot now. It's 2 o'clock. We are gonna load up right here, head back to the house, and I gotta get ready to go to work. So thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed another video on Hollis Lathem. This is a pretty awesome lake. If y'all have never fished it, I definitely recommend y'all to get up here. So if you have any questions or anything about the reservoir, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button, because I'm out of school now until college, so I got a bunch of videos coming. I'll be fishing a lot, I plan on. So y'all stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank you.